Cindee. Welcome to my channel. I'm glad you could be with me, and I hope you were with Lance, and if not, you need to go check out what he did prior to me. So what I'm going to do today is, I love to dance around my house with my tambourine. Yes, this is my tambourine. It never gets dusty. I just love to put on music and dance around with it. So, I was thinking about pouring on top of the tambourine. So I got these little tambourines off of Amazon. I think they were like 2 for $15. And these are 6 inches. These are my test ones. I'll go larger if this turns out. So I've gone ahead and I taped this up with, what is that, frog tape or whatever? That's what I like to use, the green stuff. And my biggest concern is where I have these rivets that the paint is going to get down in there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn you guys off. I'm going to coat that with a little bit of the Liquitex pouring medium, and I'm going to go ahead and paint this white, and I'll bring you back and we'll do a little flip cup on it and see how that goes. Okay, I'm back. Are you guys ready for the smallest flip cup? I believe it says a 3-ounce cup. So I'm going to layer this up. I was just going to do it dirty, but for giggles, I'm going to layer it. So I'm going to start off with a little bit of my titanium white, and this does have satin enamels in it. And then from there, I'm going to go to the, what is this? Artist Loft metallic. Metallic what? Looks green. Cobalt. Looks green to me. And then from there, I'm going to put in a little bit of this Janja gold. It came from Slovenia, and I cannot say the name of it at all. And from there, I'm going to go to this Liquitex Cerulean blue. I guess I could make my layers a little thicker. And then from there, I'm going to go to the, what is this? Folkart Color Shift Purple Flash. And then from there, I will go back to the white. I think I can make my layers a little thicker this time around. I hope everybody is doing really well and sending prayers and positive energy to Ukraine. Keep having this fantasy about us all taking a plane over there and just joining in. At my age, I may as well go out with a bang, right?
From some place up above, somehow knowing in this place, all these people, I'll find love. And I cannot wait to get to know you, to help you ease the troubles on your mind, to walk by your side, holding your hand in mine. I'll treasure that for as long as I'm alive. You're welcome here.
I have a little surface tension going on. Okay, I was going to put you guys on the music so you wouldn't listen to me ramble. Ah! Oh yeah, baby. Okay, here we go. This thing's not, it's got so much surface tension, it's gonna smush. Oh.
None of us can wait to get to know you better, to see who lives behind those blues. And on your first day, doing anything new, we will always be right there with you.
Who needs to stretch? I'm a fluid artist. I have to stretch.
Welcome here. Our heart's been taken hostage by the sweetest little deer, and you are most welcome here.
Okay, guys, I'm going to give this a few minutes and I'll bring you in for a close-up. Okay, it's been about 20 minutes and it did start pooling in the center. And I should have foreseen that. It didn't say on the site what it was made from, but I guess it is made from leather or pleather at least. So I took some small cups and I cut them down, 3 of them, and I've put them underneath the piece to stabilize it. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to let it dry, and then I will bring it back next Friday at the same time to show you guys what happened. Good or bad, we'll find out. But this little flip cup is gorgeous. It's been so long since I've done one. Let me bring y'all in. These are just all my favorite colors. Oh. And I want to thank Lance for coming up with this great idea to come on Fridays. You know, I watched a video of yours, Lance, from you skating, and my goodness, were you a handsome young man. You're a handsome older man, too. Don't worry about that. Anyways, this is Cindee wishing you guys a bunch of peace, love, light, and lots of laughter. And I'll see you next time. Love y'all. Bye-bye.